Now stepping for the fundamental formulas. Fundamental formulas, just stepping for the basic part. Okay. Now be very much careful when we are solving these types of questions using these formulas. And one more thing, because antiderivative, it is called antiderivative is the integral. Okay, so it means derivative, if you are aware of the derivatives, then only you can move for the integration, and sometimes we are just mixing with each other. Okay, so now we are having, first thing is that d by dx of constant c, this is constant, d by dx of c is what we are knowing, it is 0. Okay, so integration of 0 with dx, what it will be, capital C, first thing. Now second thing, d by dx of x, we are knowing d by dx of x is 1, so what integration will be, integration of 1 with dx, it is always x plus c. C is the constant of integration. Okay, we have to add it for every question. But now derivative of x is 1 and integration of 1 is what, x. Integration of 1, antiderivative, derivative. Okay, then we are having d by dx of kx. Now this whole term, d by dx of kx, what we are writing, k with d by dx of x, and it is k. Okay, so d by dx of kx is what, k. Now integration of k dx to this part, what we are going to use it, we will be writing it k integration of 1 dx, and this is equal to kx plus c. Okay, kx plus c. Now derivative for x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Now what is the derivative? It is n plus 1 power comes in the front, then we are writing x raised to power n plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1. It is already given, so this and this cancels, what we are left with, x raised to power n. Okay, so integration of x raised to power n dx is equal to what? Integration of x raised to power n dx will be this one. Okay, so it is x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, like this one. Okay, now last part we are having d by dx of ax plus b raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into a. Now this becomes n plus 1 with ax plus b raised to power n plus 1 minus 1 into d by dx of ax plus b upon n plus 1 with a. It is already given. So now what is left? This one and this one cancels. We are left with ax plus b raised to power n into a upon a, then a and a is also cancelled. So what the result is? The result is ax plus b raised to power n. This is the result. Okay, so integration of ax plus b raised to power n dx is equal to what? Raised to power n dx is equal to what? This one. This is the answer. Okay, so we are having now ax plus b raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 with a plus c. Now in the second sense, last one, what we can do it, what we can think it, we can think it ax plus b raised to power n. Now in the differentiation, power is reduced by to 1, here power will be increased to 1, just going anti-type. Okay, So here we will be writing ax plus b raised to power n dx is equal to power is increased by 1, n plus 1. Then that whole result is divided by the quotient, that is n plus 1, and derivative of ax plus b in the differentiation we are multiplying with the quotient. Here we will be dividing it with the quotient. So this will be the result. Okay. So simple things.